So, how do you change your currency on Etsy Mobile? So, to start off, let's open up Etsy. Now, here we need to go to our profile by clicking on the top right. Now, here we just need to head over to settings. So, let's click on settings. Now, here you would see the select currency. You just need to click on it. And here you can choose whichever currency you want. So if I want it to be euro, I just need to click on euro and it would automatically change it. So let's click a product here. As you can see, it has now changed to the currency euro. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.